We've been on top of this story, community leaders even calling for action after tweets and retweets from Sergeant Douglas Howell revealed potentially biased views about people of color and the LGBTQ community. And the question still remains from community members, will the cases that Sergeant Howell was involved in be reopened? The answer is no. Gang member cases won't be automatically re-examined. So let's dig deeper. My sources are former officer Mark Bachman and defense attorney Melinda Patterson, who handles a lot of gang-related cases.
I don't necessarily think that any investigation would be reopened. The only time that generally happens with prosecutors and agencies is when a witness, or in this case an officer, may have lied or there's some veracity, an issue of truthfulness. In this case, what was posted on social media by Sergeant Howell doesn't really point to any veracity or untruthfulness.
A Reddit post that's getting a lot of attention says that Tyler Jackson, a local rapper who performs under the name Y&R Mookey, will be getting out of jail because he was arrested by Sergeant Howell. The post says when officers are investigated for wrongdoing, all their cases are reevaluated. Jackson's attorney, Melinda Patterson, says that this particular case would not be reopened, and here's why.
His case is not one of the ones where this was the only issue or the only piece of evidence in the case. If the entire case had been based on Sergeant Howell's testimony or credibility alone, the internal investigation may have a little bit more weight, but when there's a case that there are other factors present, there would have to be more than just this issue alone to be able to reopen the case.
It's important to note that Howell's tweets are currently the subject of an internal investigation, and it is possible that outcome could influence whether Sergeant Howell's cases get a second look. With your Verify, I'm Brianna Ray Turner.